Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the mixer track that contains the vocal, synth, or drum you want controlled. Once selected, add Fruity Limiter and switch its mode to compressor. That's the built-in compressor you'll use. Next, raise the input so loud transients reach the threshold. This ensures the compressor actually acts. Set a moderate 3:1 ratio and a 10 ms attack to catch transients without squashing natural dynamics. Make sure release is moderate. We'll refine it next. Once the compressor is active, pull the threshold down until the meter shows about 3 to 6 dB of gain reduction on the louder parts. That gives audible control without crushing. Then tweak attack between 1 and 30 milliseconds. Faster attack clamps transients, slower attack preserves punch. Adjust release so the compressor recovers musically with the tempo, 2 fast pumps, 2 slow dulls. Finally, add makeup gain to match perceived loudness, and toggle bypass to hear the difference. To finish, apply advanced techniques. Route a sidechain or use the built-in sidechain EQ to keep low-frequency energy from over-triggering the compressor, which prevents muddiness. If you need more presence, create a parallel chain, heavily compress a duplicate, and blend it with the original for thickness. Once done, address artifacts. If you hear pumping, lengthen the release or reduce the ratio, and adjust the knee for smoother onset. Make sure to /B and save a preset when satisfied.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.